Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering the chest press. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know to elevate your chest press performance to the next level. Let's get started. 1. Warm up. Before you start lifting weights, it's essential to warm up your body. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes doing light cardio, like jogging or jumping jacks, to increase your heart rate and loosen up your muscles. Incorporate dynamic stretches, such as arm circles and shoulder presses, to target your chest muscles. 2. Proper form. When lifting weights, it's crucial to maintain proper form to avoid injury and maximize results. Keep your back straight, engage your core, and pull your elbows back slightly, keeping them close to your body. Ensure that your hands are shoulder width apart, and your feet are shoulder width apart or slightly wider. 3. Progressive overload. To increase your strength and muscle growth, gradually increase the weight you lift. Start with a lighter weight and progressively increase it as you continue to train. Aim to lift around 20 to 30% more weight than your current max, and do this 3 to 4 times a week. 4. Mix it up. To avoid plateaus and keep your muscles challenged, mix up your workout routine. Incorporate different exercises, such as chest FLIs, shoulder presses, and lat pull-downs, into your routine to target different muscle groups. 5. Tracking progress. To see results and stay motivated, track your progress. Keep a record of your workouts, weight lifted, and weightlifting gains. This will help you analyze your progress and identify areas that need improvement. 6. Rest and recovery. As with any workout, it's essential to give your muscles time to recover. Aim to rest for at least 24 to 48 hours between workout sessions. And consider incorporating active recovery activities like yoga or stretching to help rejuvenate your muscles. In conclusion, mastering the chest press requires dedication, consistency, and a focus on proper form and progressive overload. By following the tips outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals and crushing your chest press records. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel to be notified when we publish our next video. Thanks for watching.